I wanted a farm stand, and I wanted it to be a little bit different from a typical farm stand. There was an old chopper box that was still here from when this was an active dairy farm. It was not usable anymore, and I asked if I could have the roof from it. My buddy and I built the frame for it. He then got it into position with the farm's international tractor. So we had to haul it from where they took apart the chopper box and take it down onto the road and bring it up into the barnyard where we had our project going. It was a little bit daunting to watch him get that up into place. We had a couple little sketchy moments, but he handled it like a pro. And yeah, there it is. I still need to build a counter and have a spot for the cooler to hold eggs. There'll be lots of space for vegetables, flowers, and for the vendors who'll be selling their items at the farm stand. And there will also be a variety of woodworking items available once the farm stand is open. I mentioned vendors, and I'm happy to announce I already have a couple of vendors who want to sell their items at the farm stand once I'm open this summer. Plan is for it to open in summer of 2025. Watch the website www.stargazerfarmswi.com. Be sure to sign up for the newsletter for more info. And of course, I will be posting updates about the farm and the farm stand right here on YouTube. I'm really excited about this farm stand. I think it is super cute and it kind of looks like a chopper box, which gives a nod to the farm and its former life. I wanted it to sit exactly where it is because once upon a time, that is where that particular piece of equipment would be pulled into place with a tractor and would sit where we would unload silage or haylage from it into the silo for the cows. I also really love that it's right by the silo because it puts it closer to the road for easy access for those who come by and support the farm. That's my little tour of the farm stand build. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. It really does help support this little farm. And I will see you in the next one.